Hi teachers, I'm Brittany, also known as Miss Roberts from Teach Blog Travel. And today, this super short video is going to show you how to split a multi-page PDF into single-page PDFs. This is really helpful if maybe you have a resource that is multiple pages and you only want to use or assign the one page. It's also useful if, for like me, you buy or sell on Teachers Pay Teachers, and maybe you have their terms of use on the last page, and you want to take that off before you make it editable and assign it to your students. So let's get started. I'm going to share my screen with you, full screen. So let me do that here. Here we go. And it is super simple. So I'm just going to bring up, this is actually a PDF that I made. It's Rules and Etiquette for Video Meetings. And if you're interested in buying that resource, you can definitely head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store. Okay, so as you can see, the first page is the Rules and Etiquette for Video Meetings. Okay, and then we scroll down and I have my terms of use on the second page. Now I will say that this is my own document. I don't mind myself editing it. I don't even mind purchasers doing this as long as they're actually still following the terms of use. So just make sure that if you are going to split a document and it's copyrighted by someone else, that you're paying attention to what those terms of use are, because they might not want you to split the document. And out of respect for their terms of use, we do want to respect them if we're using their product. However, sometimes you might have a worksheet that has the worksheet on page 1 and the answers on page 2, and maybe you don't want your students to have access to the answers. That is understandable. So let me show you how to do that. Up on the upper right-hand side, you have your print analog, or you can do Control and P at the same time to get that. Let's go ahead and click there. And you're going to have some options. Now, the default is usually going to be set to whatever you actually use as your printer. I want you to go to that drop-down menu, and you're going to go to Microsoft Print to PDF. Now, this is the important part. A couple of things. You want to make sure that the orientation is set to how you want it to look. Right now, it's already set to portrait. I want it to stay that way, so we're good there. As you can see, if I were to change it to landscape, it would look kind of funny for this document, but you know, you might want landscape orientation for certain activities. This is the important part, pages. So I'm going to click that option here, and if I just want whatever page I'm looking at, I can click Current Page, and it'll take me to wherever I am on the document. Now, because I've already scrolled down to page 2 over here, that's what Current Page looks like. But I want to make sure I get the specific one. So I went down to my drop-down menu, I clicked Page Range, and I just want page 1 perhaps, because the video meetings etiquette, that is what I want to post in my Google Classroom, and I don't necessarily need or want to post the terms of use. So once I have the page selected out of Page Range, I'm going to go to the bottom and click Print. And what it's going to do is it's going to prompt you to save it where you want to be able to access it. So let's go ahead and put it in Downloads. And I'm going to call this Video Etiquette 2. Okay, and I'm saving it in my Downloads folder. I click Save. You can see it's already saving it as a PDF, so you don't have to do anything with the settings. So I'm going to go back to where that is, refresh my Downloads, Video Etiquette 2. And see, I've opened up a new one. Oh, now it's not working. 1 second. Let's go to open with. There we go. I'm not sure why, but sometimes when I use Microsoft Edge to open PDFs, I get this error message. Okay, so as you can see, I'm scrolling down and there is no longer a page 2. Okay, so if I look at the original document, I can see it has the page 1, which is what I wanted, and page 2 terms of use. Here is just all on one page. And now I'm ready to upload that. Maybe I want to make it editable. You're more than welcome to do that. I can make it editable, or I can just upload it to my Google Classroom as is. So that is how you separate a multi-page document into a single page one. I hope this was helpful. You can join my Google Classroom crash course if you're not there already for all kinds of tutorials and resources relating to Google Classroom, Google Apps, and third-party online apps and resources. If you have more questions, you can email me at brittany.roberts@teachblogtravel.com. And of course, you can visit my website, teachblogtravel.com, and subscribe for my emails to get more resources. If you're just here for the videos, then of course you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.